All right, so as you saw, the Corvette did not want to start. Still think it is a fueling issue with the carburetor. I've got some things I want to try out. I've got this fuel pressure gauge right here that I want to put in line and see what my exact fuel pressure to the carburetor is, as well as we've got a screw on this side right there that adjusts the idle mixture. So I'm going to try to back that out and see if it's clogged up or if there's anything with it, and see if I can get more fuel into the motor, because it seems like it was running on the carburetor cleaner fluid but not the gas itself. So there's one on this side, one on the other side. I'm gonna take those off and see if I can get anything out of this old Chevy 350. So here we go. So I've got the fuel pressure gauge here in line with our fuel line. So there's our fuel filter right there, and if you follow that line, it goes to the fuel pressure regulator, which is set at 6 psi right now. So we want to come over here and make sure that this is going to read 6 psi when we have the fuel pump running. So you can see I had a lot of excess cord, so I just kind of did a little makeshift wrap around into the carburetor right there. So I'm gonna hook up the battery and let the fuel pump run by putting the key into the on position and see what this does. All right, I've got the battery hooked up. If you can see, the check engine light's on, which means there's power to the car. I'm gonna turn the key here. Which sounds like the fuel pump is running. If you hear that high-pitched squeal, I believe that's a fuel pump. It looks like, if you look here, our gauge is going up. It's upside down, I know. There it is at 5. There it is at 6. It's leaking a little bit. Let me turn that off and tighten that connection down. All right, I'm going to turn the fuel pump on again, see if there's any leaks. All right, I don't see any leaks. I'm gonna see if she'll turn over. Battery is dead, so I'm gonna get my jump pack. Here we go. All right, I fiddled around with it again. As you can see, it's not working. I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm either gonna have to get someone to look at the carburetor that knows what they're doing, or just buy a whole new carburetor and see if that'll do the trick. But either way, I've still got some tinkering to do before this thing is going to get back on the road. But that's where I'm at. Not really much has changed from when I last uploaded a video, but we'll see. We'll see what I get done. We'll see which route I go, but I'll let you know.